So, you might be wondering how to exactly fix the Insignia Fire TV flickering or dim screen here. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to power cycle the TV. So, start with a full reset because most flickering or dim screens issues come from temporary glitches. So, turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and wait for about like 60 seconds. Now, while it's unplugged, press and hold the TV's power on the TV itself for about 10 seconds to drain leftover power. Then plug it back in to turn it on. Next is you want to check all HDMI cables and connected devices. Now, loose or damaged HDMI cables can cause screen flickering or dimming here. So disconnect every HDMI device here, clean the ports, and reset or reseat the cables firmly. Now, if the flickering disappears with no device connected, one of the accessories like a game console or set-top box is causing the problem. So next thing that you want to do is you want to turn off energy saving or adaptive brightness. Now, Insignia Fire TVs sometimes dim themselves automatically because of these features. So you want to go to your settings, go to display and sound, then go to picture settings, then turn off energy saving mode, adaptive brightness, dynamic backlight, and basically after turning them off, adjust brightness and backlight manually. Now, next is you want to basically change the picture mode here. Now, some picture modes force darker settings, so switch to standard, vivid, or movie to see if the flickering or dimming improves. Modes like cinema often lower brightness significantly, and also update the TV software if you can. Now, a lot of flickering issues happen due to outdated firmware. Now, you want to go to settings, then My Fire TV, about, then check for updates and install any available updates. Now, the TV will restart after the update and recalibrate the screen settings. And you may want to also try a different power outlet or remove the surge protectors here. Now, weak or unstable power coming from a bad outlet or a surge protector can cause display flicker, so plug the TV directly to a wall or to see if the issue stops. And also, you may want to test the flashlight method for backlight failures. So, if the screen is extremely dim but audio works, then shine a flashlight at the screen. Now, if you can faintly see images, the TV's backlight is fading, so this can't be fixed through settings, so it needs professional repair or panel replacement. And you may also want to factory reset the TV if settings are corrupted. So, in this case, you want to go to settings, My Fire TV, then go to reset to factory defaults. Now, this clears corrupted picture profiles or display bugs that cause flickering. Only do this if other steps fail here, but that's about it. Now, if none of this actually worked for you, the following last thing they could do is to contact a technician if the flickering is constant. So, if the flickering continues, no matter what you do, it may be best to contact a technician. This is the safest option instead of you tampering inside your TV. That would make things a lot worse, honestly. But that's about it. So, hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.